So I'm about to bend this shit.
Get some cheese, shit.
Look, listen, son.
He ain't gonna kill him, but don't push him. Fuck it, eat the shit out, nigga. Bite your ass. Fat boy, you already know.
Come with me. Can I get a hamburger with cheese? And some fries. Do you want an apple pie? I'ma kill you for some cookies. Revenge is the sweetest joy next to getting nookies. Damn, I walked up in McDonald's with a smile. Asked for a mile. They was like, son, this ain't the fucking corner store. We got some corn that you pour. I said, I ain't no killer, but don't push me. I'm hungry as hell. Let me get a pack of cookies with corn. I said chocolate chip, some apple dips, and get me a snack wrap and a fillet of fish. They was like, son, you fat. I said, damn, I know that.
And you black.
Let me get another pack, a snack wrap, and a Big Mac with extra happy sauce. Yeah, cause I'm a be. Quavy Wallace. Yeah. You better stop, but I wipe you like some tissue. I'm about to come and get you. Oh, let's do it. I eat my food quick. You can't even handle this, cause Ricky fucking B-A-D-Y-C-Y-D, nigga D-I-E that one. Sorry, man.